Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla. Okay, and today we are going to discussing about how to create our first test case and run using our BugBug testing tool. Okay, and if you see in the last video time, I have shown you that how you can able to do, right? This is the documentation where you can able to go ahead here the resource and documentation location. Okay, and you can able to quick start for that how you can able to do and all. Okay, and also they will give you some start free and creating and install here, right? Install Chrome extension. Okay, here is the plugin you can able to, in case if you are not able to add your Chrome extension, just you can click here and it will navigate into a Chrome extension and there you can able to click. Okay, once you click you can able to see BugBug. Okay, here you can able to see automation testing and manage extension is there, right? You need to go to there. Okay, and scroll down. Okay, there is allow incognito, it is there. Okay, the Chrome cannot prevented extension from the recording your browser history. To disable this extension incognito mode, unselect this option. Okay, this is the one you have to unselect. If you are not unselect, it will not store your test cases. Sometime it will be a failure case. Okay, this you have to uncheck and then close it. Okay, once you are coming to here, I am going to take for a simplest one, this particular application. Next time I will show you for some of additional things. Okay, now I'm providing here, I can click here for start. Okay, once I start, we can able to see here start recording is started. Okay, you can able to see some couple of things like add assertion, add h over concept and indexing. Okay, a variable creations and pass the recording, you can able to pass the record. Okay, you can able to do assertion as here. Okay, I'm going to do for first assertion here this particular image. See, now it is saved. I'll show you how it will be there and all. Okay, now I'm going to click here. Okay, and then I'm going to click here and I'm going to click for submit. Okay, now once we click, automatically it is navigated here. Okay, now I'm going to use for head shower in this. Okay, and assertion, I'm clicking here and then I'm going to verifying this particular location and also another assertion, this one. Okay, another assertion for sign off. Okay, now I have done for all the assertions. Okay, now I'm going to pass my record. Okay, now I'm passing my record. You can see edit and rewind, it is there. You can able to rewind, you can able to resume and record from here. Wherever you want, you can able to go ahead there and you can able to start here or you can able to close. Okay, after that you can come into here, you can see my URL is there. Okay, a simplest way. Okay, and Google, go to URL which we have provided. Asset element is visible, this is a text image, it is taken. And another one, clicking here and typing the text and clicking here and type the text. Okay, and clicking for submit button, you can see button image also capturing. And another one is HR for login successful and assertion for login successful and assertion for log thank you for login. Okay, and also assertion for the image as well. Okay, it will take the text format and you can able to take it. Okay, and there are a couple of things is there we can able to see as well. Okay, now I'm going to stop it here. Yes, I need to stop. Now you can see it is populated here. You can able to run here or you can run into cloud as well. Okay, and also there is a three dots is there. I can first click. See, it is started testing browser. Okay, it is started here as well. See how my our browser is connecting, right? The similar format of browser it is doing, right? The browser real time how the browser is following, right? The same format that cursor also moving. Okay, now finish and close, automatically it will close. And you can able to create the component, you can able to read here, and if you want variables or profiling anything, you can able to do whatever the things like automation, how you can do all the things you can able to do here. Okay, as of now I'm closing, and if you close click here three dots, you can see test settings, renaming and duplicate, run history, and copy the link to test and run via command line. If you want collaborate, you can able to collaborate with that. Okay, like this. If you want to delete the particular group, you can delete the group as well. Okay, now here it is made it as a group. Okay, because of that you can see in the group number. Okay, usually it will not do. You can able to create the test and then you can able to do that. Okay, if you by default it will go and sit into the one group. Okay, next time onwards you can create for your own another way also. Okay, you can rechange also. Okay, this way we can able to run, and we can see alerts and variables creations and component how you can able to do all the things we can see. Okay, the suit creation here is our first suit. You can able to create any kind of suit. Okay, now I'm going to use for suit name is like demo automation. Okay, this is my creation, and you can able to see auto retry failed cloud syncs how many time in case if it is failed that you can do parallel. Right now it is disabled. Okay, profile it is there and auto everything is there, you can create it. Okay, see now here there is a suit is there. Okay, now if you want to use for duplicate you can do, cloud also you can do. Okay, the project creation it can be here. First is my project is there, you can able to create any project. How many projects you want, you can able to create it. Okay, whenever you can want to create a new test case, you can able to use it here to create it. Okay, like this we can able to in the suite level also you can go to inside this, and you can add this a test record, select, and it will come to there, and you can able to drag and drop also. Okay, you can see the test case it is there under suit as well. Okay, whenever you want to run the suit, how many test cases inside the suit it will run. Two suits are there, one is all test suits or another one. If you run here, see run suit locally, and another one is cloud duplicate edit anything. Okay, if I run automatically how many test cases inside this particular one, those all the test cases it will run and it will pass. If it is pass, it will give you the pass. If there is a failure, and it will make the failure as well. This is a suit running place. Okay. Just now we run, it is got passed. Like this, it we can able to do. Okay. And how many projects you want, you can able to create here, but using for create. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.